Why some marriages last and others don't. Marriages are made in heaven is an extremely famous quote. However, here's why the opposite of it is actually true. Love is not enough. Tend to believe that if you love someone, that it should fix the relationship. Love is not enough. If loving someone were enough to make a relationship work, most people wouldn't have the problems they do. We forget space. Many seem to see marriage as a union in which both people have a hold on each other that strips away the other's freedom. The truth is, marriage does not mean the two of you are no longer free. You are still two individual people who choose to share your lives together. Silly illusions. A lot of us think of marrying the one we love and imagine a life filled with endless romance, passion, and closeness that will automatically always be there. While the love and passion can always be there, it will not be automatic, and this is an illusion we all have to forget about. That ego. If two successful people marry, their egos may collide in a fight that just can't be won. Who makes more money? Who is in the press more? Who gets more perks? If only one of the partners is famous, that can hurt more, as the attention is always on the other, which can't always feel good. Life's ups and downs. Adversity is inevitable. The key is how you deal with it. First, acknowledge that your spouse has good intentions. Second, focus your discussions on the issue without withdrawing, hurling insults, or getting personal. Most importantly, be supportive when the chips are down. Romance has to be kept alive. Keep the romance alive. Find happiness simply being in the presence of one another. As the years go by, build shared experiences and find ways to add spice to your life. Never take the relationship for granted. Need to make your relationship a priority. Find balance between work and family, acknowledging that both contribute to your happiness and the strength of your relationship. Avoid hateful gestures. Frequent name-calling, threats, eye-rolling, belittling, mockery, hostile teasing, etc. In whatever form, gestures like these are poisonous to a relationship because they convey hate. Accepting each other. Accept each other without trying to change each other. The deepest craving of human nature is the need to be appreciated as is. Sometimes we try to be sculptors, constantly carving out of our significant others the image of what we want them to be, what we think we need, love, or desire. Taming the anger. Heated arguments are a waste. Your partner doesn't have to be wrong for you to be right. There are many roads to what's right, and most of the time it just doesn't matter that much. Forgiveness is important. Love is not just living your own life, but also sharing it, and this requires constant forgiveness. It's making a million mistakes and turning them into learning experiences. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.